Hello everyone, short video about one issue on TSI engines. It could be Seat or Volkswagen with TSI. Actually this engine is 1.2 TSI. Sometimes I can feel bad smell from the blower, but not exhaust smell. It's like burning oil. How I investigate, is it one small valve was pipe broken, and this smell goes straight from the engine go to the blower. I will show you where it's located and how I replace it. This is a 1.2 TSI engine, and this valve located straight under this pipe. See this hole? Is it no more valve there? And we can pull this pipe, and this is the valve. Broken valve is broken pipe. For easier access, I will remove this hose, just 2 Torx T30, and I want to investigate if it's piece of plastic still there. If it's not, I just feed back new valve and will be everything fine. For removing this pipe, this is the 2 screws and 2 clips from another side. Little bit pull one side and another side, and lift up the pipe. Okay, how I investigate, is it no more plastic there? Looks like it's going down, and just rubber. Okay, just little bit clean up this area and feed back valve. That's it, job done. No more bad smell on your car. Don't forget replace cabin filter. It was located under the glove box. Thank you for watching. Press like and subscribe on my channel.